Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be fixing one of my favorite creators' YouTube channel. This includes re-editing their videos and creating a brand new thumbnail for them from scratch. The creator we are choosing today is Kayjayhopc. In case you don't know who KJ is, he's a tech creator with 2.2 million followers on TikTok and over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. And by the end of the video, we are going to have a clip so good that even you will find it very difficult to skip. So stick to the end to see the results. Alright, so if we go to KJ's channel, as you can see, he has a few long videos that he has uploaded. He has a lot of shorts. He uploads like daily, and we can see his long videos are averaging about 1.6k, 2k, 2.1k. And I think the issue here is because of the thumbnails. If the thumbnails were better, I feel like you have a lot of views, given that he already has like 100,000 subscribers and millions of TikTok followers. So let's see what we can do. I'm just going to check one video, choose one, download the video. So let's see. This video looks
the latest and greatest tech in the world, all in one place. We're at CES 2025.
I feel like this video looks good and has a great potential because he's talking about tech convention 2025 CES, and I feel like a lot of people knows about this, and I mean, it's KJ doing the video. It deserves more views, and I feel like the problem here lies in the editing and the thumbnail. That's just what I feel like. So we are going to be fixing that. I'm going to download this video now. I'm going to walk you through how I'll be editing and storyboarding and everything, that basically my workflow in video editing. So let's go.
The latest and greatest tech in the world, all in one place.
My hands on myself.
So I'm done cutting out all the interesting part of the video, and now let's get to storyboarding. Essentially, how I do my storyboarding is I just watch the video over and over again, think of what is going through his mind, and I think of what I want the audience to feel, the viewers to feel at that particular moment. So I draw out my ideas and try to bring it to life, while also trying to keep the same energy as the creator. Right now it's just being goofy, and we don't want to spoil that energy by putting in something serious, maybe like putting a very serious music or doing all these crazy animations. We don't want that, because it's just being like free and funny and fun at the same time. So we want to keep that energy in. I'm going to look for a music that's going to match that vibe and put it in, then do whatever the fuck I want to do. So I'm done with the storyboarding. I'm going to edit it in, just the first thing, to show you guys what I came up with before I just complete the rest. And I'm just going to move to sound design. I'm not going to do color grading because I feel like this already looks good, and yeah, that's just it. So let's move to editing.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm almost done with the first part, but I actually said I only wanted to do the first part, but I ended up doing the sound design because I was like, it just goes better when you just do the sound design while you're also, adding the effects. Though I'm not done with the sound design, I still need to do the sound design for the text and all. But there's something I want to point out. I actually wanted, where he said in the world, I actually wanted the text to come behind him, but I went to After Effects to get rid of the background, and then this happened. It's showing him with a black background. So I'm going to try to fix that by using the color key. I would have fixed that setting the overlay mode to screen, but it would just destroy the way it looks. It will make him look brighter, and we do not want that. So I'm just going to try using color key, and hopefully that solves the issue. Now I'm going to use this to, okay, that looks good, but I just have to increase the edge thing and the feather. So now we can write text and put it behind him. So that's what I'm going to do now. So he said in the world, and I'm going to write the world text, and we're going to put it behind him. I want it to be bold, to be big, so that's what we are going to do. And let's see, I'm going to choose black and increase the size. Let's see, does that look good? Yeah. We want it to be behind him, so we are going to, it said world, not words. I'm fucking dumb, bro. Sorry for the language. World, in the world. So we're going to move it right behind him. So we're going to move this right behind him, so it appears behind him. This looks good. Let me just play it to know what it sounds like.
In the world.
Okay, this is good. So what I'm going to do is to cut it where he just finished saying in the world, and yeah. So we are just going to cut those places where he said in the world and get rid of the text we do not want. So also this place, he's talking about a tech convention. He's talking about how big it is, but I don't know what the convention is. So like somehow I want the audience to know that okay, this thing is a really big thing. So what I'll do is just to look for a drone shot of the building and put it there. So automatically it wires it into the viewer's brain to think, okay, this thing is big, I want to see what is actually inside. So I'm going to look for a drone shot of the convention, maybe the building, and just put it in. All right, so we have a little bit of problem. Like after hours of searching, I couldn't find a video or drone footage of the building, but I was able to find 2 pictures, and I don't know, these pictures wouldn't necessarily work, but I can make it work. Alrighty, finally we are done, and this is what it looks like.
The latest and greatest tech in the world, all in one place. We're at CES 2025. Let's see what cool tech we can find. Is that the sphere? I low-key thought that thing was bigger. I'm not gonna lie to you. Just a little bit of concern on that part.
Alright, so I said I'll be making the thumbnail also, but unfortunately I couldn't find a picture of his that matches the thumbnail idea that I had. So I guess we'll be making that in my next video, so like and subscribe if you want to see that. Peace.